Hey creators! Today, I'll show you the best free tools to design eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. First up is Canva. This is fantastic for beginners because it offers a ton of free templates, fonts, and graphics, and it works right in your browser. Start by searching for YouTube thumbnail and pick a free template that matches your topic's vibe. Replace the photo by uploading your image and dropping it into place. Adjust the headline so it's big, bold, and high contrast. Think white on a dark background or the reverse. Add your brand colors and a small logo so people recognize your videos at a glance. When you're happy, export as PNG or JPG and make sure the file size stays under 2 megabytes. Some features, like background removal, are paid, but you can still get excellent results with the free options by focusing on layout, color contrast, and strong typography. Next is Photopea, a free, web-based editor that feels a lot like Photoshop. Open a new canvas at 1280 by 720. Bring in your photo and work with layers for precise control. Boost contrast and vibrance to make your subject stand out, and add a subtle drop shadow to your text to increase readability without making it look heavy. Because Photopea supports advanced tools like masks and adjustment layers, it's great for those who want more control. A smart move is to create one master file with your fonts, colors, and layout guides. Then duplicate it each time so your thumbnails stay consistent across your channel. Another option is Adobe Express, which offers clean templates, easy background removal, and quick brand kits for free with an account. Start with the YouTube thumbnail preset, upload your photo, and try the Remove Background feature to isolate your subject. Add a bold headline and consider placing it over a simple shape or color panel to raise contrast and keep text readable. If you set up a brand kit, you can apply your colors and fonts in one click, which saves time. A nice touch is to use a subtle color overlay across the photo to unify the look and make the text pop without overwhelming the image. Now check out Pixlr. Pixlr X is simpler and great for quick edits, while Pixlr E is more advanced. Create a new canvas at 1280 by 720. Add your background photo and lay your text on top. The built-in cutout tool can remove backgrounds from portraits, often with a limited number of free uses. Experiment with filters or color lookups to create a cohesive style across multiple thumbnails in a series. When you land on a look you like, stick with it to build brand recognition. The last one is GIMP. Start with a new 1280 by 720 file and import your photo. Use levels or curves to add contrast and make your subject pop. Choose heavy, readable fonts like Impact, Anton, or Montserrat Extra Bold, and add a drop shadow or outline to the text for clarity against busy backgrounds. The best way to save time in GIMP is to build a template with guides, safe zones, and your standard brand elements, then duplicate it for each new video. If this helps, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. And now, tap the video at the top right corner to watch my top 5 free file recovery tools to bring back deleted files. Thanks for watching. See you there.